let's see if that works. Is negative 2 to the first power negative 2? Yes, it is. Is negative 2 to the second power 4? Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, so that works. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8, so that works. Negative 2 to the fourth power is 16, that works. Negative 2 to the fifth power is negative 32, that works. So this becomes my rule for letter B. In the previous example, letter A, if you were adding or subtracting, so in this case we're adding 1 to each of the pattern, or each of the values in the sequence. When you're adding or subtracting values, typically that number is what you have in front of your n. So since I'm adding 1, there's kind of like this invisible 1 in front of my n, and then you have to add or subtract numbers to get them to match up. So in this case, a sub n is equal to, if I was looking just at this guy, so I didn't come up with my rule just yet, the adding of 1 gives me 1n, so 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 gives me 3. So if I'm adding or subtracting with my patterns, that's typically going to translate as to that pattern number being multiplied by our n. If that number is being multiplied or divided at the bottom in my pattern, that's typically going to translate as being the base number for my pattern. It's just one thing to kind of think about, and we'll put those to a little bit more use in a little bit. But I want you guys at this point to start working on Now You Tries numbers 3 and 4 on your own, and see if you guys can come up with the pattern, the next term, and the rule for numbers 3 and 4, and we'll talk about them the next time we get together for class.